Next, we'll demonstrate the long and short stitch using 3 strands of color number 8. First, bring up at the middle. Make 1 long stitch. Bring up right next to the first stitch. Make a short stitch, creating an alternating long-short pattern. Now let's stitch the other side. Alternate between long and short stitches. Next, work on the lower part. Bring up at the bottom center. Insert at the upper boundary. Let's demonstrate once more. Bring up from below. Insert right next to the previous stitch, connecting with the upper stitches. Insert. This long and short stitch is now complete. Let's look at the finished result. Now let's look at the right pattern. It's composed of the left pattern, using 3 strands of color number 4. Again, bring up at the middle. Make 1 long stitch forward. Return to the center. Make a short stitch. Alternate between long and short, creating more dimension. Following the previous steps, complete the remaining pattern. The bottom follows the same process. Insert. The first heart pattern is complete. Let's stitch another one, using the same method. Alternating long and short stitches. Let's look at the finished result. Add French knots in the middle, as the flower center, making the petals more refined. Bring up at the circle's center. Left hand holds the thread. Right hand holds the needle. Wrap the thread twice around the needle. Insert at the center point. Since the middle circle is larger, we can add more French knots, making it look fuller. This long and short pattern is now complete. Let's look at the finished result.